Hey besties, so I'm looking for some new color combinations. So drop 3 colors that you love to pair together and I will be using one of the comments for an upcoming video. So for today's video, I wanted to show you one of my throwback custom creations, my rainbow zodiac jar. Guys, these were such a bestseller back in 2022. I had so much fun making these in different colors and I just recently had a few people order these and I was really excited to make it. So this one was made for my fabulous Capricorn customer and she just wanted my traditional pink, yellow, and blue jar. And I love making this one. I love using silver glitter because it is like the perfect sparkle for these colors. I made this jar using crystal clear resin from Let's Resin and silver glitter from Larissy. So be sure to check out my link tree if you are interested in some exclusive coupon codes for these products. And be sure to drop some rainbow emojis in the comments to let me know that you made it to the end of the video. Alrighty, my loves, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, stay colorful, and keep on resonating. Peace.